Hello guys and welcome back again. Hope you're doing well. In this tutorial I will show you how to adjust your offset in OSO. So without any further talking, make sure that you are logged into the account and then go and click on the circle in here, logo of OSO, and then go to the third menu, which is options. And as you can see, you will have all this huge option menu in here. This one is like for the general, this one for graphics, this one for gameplay, and this one for the audio. This one is for the one that we need in this tutorial, scan, and this one is for the input. This one is for the editor, like hit animation, background video and stuff like that, and this one for online game, and this is for maintenance. The thing that we'll need in this tutorial is uh, this option in here, and then go up by a little bit, and from here you will see the universal offset. For example, let's click on this offset wizard. As you can see here, you can adjust the universal offset and see the difference. For example, if you adjust it here from, let's go back, here we have -6. If you come here you will find -6. You can check it or test it by use up down keys or mouse wheel to change the offset, universal offset with update and even this one. For example, I'm gonna do the offset, the up, it becomes faster. Let's make it even faster. As you can see, -1, they become so much faster. I can make it much slower by doing like that. As you can see, it becomes much slower. You can also make some adjustments by checking one of these settings in here. For example, half tick, it becomes so much slower, and by doing this one it will become so much faster. And from this one you have like two options, like on the half tick you have tick on other beat or only half tick, so you can choose whatever fits you the best. So yeah guys, that was the tutorial for today. Hope you enjoyed it and thanks for watching.